Good morning, folks. It's like every day I wake up, I just wake up with allergies. My nose is itchy, I keep sneezing. I don't know if there's something in the house or it's just, allergy season in Georgia. We had a lot of pollen and it rained. Sorry. Almost crashed, y'all. But we had a lot of pollen and it rained and I thought it took care of it, but it is what it is, everybody. Hope everybody had a good night's sleep. It's a good day. God bless everybody. We are going to a no cool and a no heat call. Basically, the system isn't working. We are going to Dallas, Georgia. Okay, the description says the heat is a split unit. Upstairs is heating fine. Downstairs unit only turns on. The fan does not ignite burner. Downstairs thermostat is a Honeywell series. Filters are clean. So there's a bunch of info in here. So I don't know if the homeowner put that or what. I mean, I'm sorry, the tenant, the resident, or somebody went out there. But like always, it doesn't have a not to exceed limit. So let's see what we find, and then let's see if we can get it fixed.
A split unit.
Okay.
The upstairs is heat strips, but the downstairs is the burner.
Okay.
And this is it right here. We don't have
any
cover on it.
Okay. So
you'll hear it click, and then it'll do its 3 ignite attempts because this doesn't have a pilot. And then it just leaves the fan on.
Okay, and you said cool doesn't work either? It's not working?
The cooling works.
Okay, so it's the heating that's not working.
Yeah,
okay.
It's the heating. So I'm assuming it's a flame sensor because I even heard it try to light this morning.
Okay. Let me see this thing. Let's see if this thing has a code. Okay. One, two, three, 4. So it's flashing 4 times. We got 4 flashes. I'm reading this thing backwards. Sorry guys, I got a lot of allergies. So 4 flashes. 4 flashes, open limit device. Open limit. That one's not open. That one's closed. That one's good. That one is good. Open limit. See if this pressure switch is closing. Even though that's not the cause. I mean the or 0. So that's closed. Oh, this thing has another safety down here. This one isn't resettable. It's closed. open limit device. This is the pressure switch, goes to the limit switch. And it goes to the rollout switch. That rollout switch goes to the switch on the fan. And then it goes to the plug, the Molex plug right there. So yeah, there's no other safeties. Let me home this out real quick, I guess. Unless the board is bad. 0. I keep moving these leads. Pretty good on this one. What limit is open? See nothing open. I might have a bad board here. Why is this thing jumping around? 0.7. I think that's about okay. That's okay. I mean, either way, it would have showed 24 volts if it was open. 0. Damn, this one's 0. 0. Yeah, we got continuity. Furnace is still trying to run. We got continuity. We are good. Pressure switch. The pressure switch is wired in series with the limit switch. Orange and yellow. Wouldn't it be 24 volts if it was not closing? Oh my gosh. That's 0 volts. I'll clear that out with something. It's pretty clear. Try blowing it out. Don't do that, guys. All right, pretty clear. Guess I got a bad board. Common W putting out 24 volts. So common and R at 24 volts. Yellow, Molex plug. Molex plug right there. What? It's not. It's not flashing four times. See, continuous flash. Continuous flashing fast normal, call for heat. Flashing fast normal, call for heat. So if it's the open limit, I wonder if it's because I took this off. Oh. All I did was rub against it. But it's still calling for heat now. It feels a little loose, I guess. That connection there. But we don't have our flashes. The igniter's coming on, but if I pull it a little bit, one, two, three, four. Oh wow. So it's not the board, it's loose plug. Let me see if this. Okay, so I think it's this wiring, the plug. The plug is in there. The plug is tight in there. I still got four flashes, but if I could be the connection here too. Alright. No more 4 flashes, and the igniter's coming on. Alright, so let me take pictures of this. See if our igniter comes on. It's coming on now. Wow. So okay guys, so that's kind of my first time running into that one, having an issue with the plug. I can't tell if it's the plug that's on the board or the male or the female, but I input on the notes that he has heat for now, and that if anything we got to replace that board. I want to say it's the plug portion that's on the board, because the rest of the wires on that plug, they feel about the same way. So I don't think it's the wiring coming into the board on that plug. But yeah, anyways, so I just put everything I found on the notes, and I told him that he has heat for now. Hopefully everything works. I didn't test the cool. He said that the cool worked fine, and the issue was the heat. So, you know, we'll see if we get approval to replace that board, or if they want to hold off on that, or what. But yeah, that was a little weird one. I never really